Welcome back, guys. Today isn't just a regular lesson. We are going to completely flip the script on how you practice speaking. A lot of people think accent is about pretending to be someone else, but it's actually about being the clearest, most confident version of you. Whether you want to crush a job interview, make content, or just hang out and make friends without stressing, the way you sound matters. And look, if you feel like you've been doing it wrong for years, don't worry about it. Your voice is like a muscle, you can retrain it. We are going to walk through 7 steps that are going to act as your personal training guide. If you stick with this, it's going to be a total game changer. Step 1. Train your ears first, not your mouth. So, step 1. We have to start with the ears. This is where almost everyone messes up. When we want to get better at speaking, our instinct is to just start talking more. Right? We obsess over mouth shapes and tongue placement, but that is actually the wrong place to start. Think about how babies learn. They don't study textbooks. They don't stress about grammar rules. They just listen. They listen to the vibe of the language, the rhythm, the music of it. They absorb it for a long time before they ever say a word. That is what you need to do. If your input is blurry, your output is going to be blurry. You can't speak what you can hear. I want you to try something called deep listening. This isn't just playing a podcast in the background while you do dishes. This is active. Take just 10 minutes a day. Pick a clip maybe from a movie or a YouTuber you like. Listen to just one sentence. Close your eyes. Don't focus on the definition of the words. Focus on the energy. How did their voice go up? Where did they pause? Then, whisper it back. Copy their melody exactly. You are literally reprogramming your brain software. If you do this for a month, you'll start catching yourself when you sound off because your ears will finally know what right sounds like. Step 2. Slow down to sound better. Step 2 is a big one, especially for anyone who thinks fast equals fluent. It doesn't. I know a lot of you are searching for how to speak English fast, thinking that's the goal. But honestly, speaking super fast usually just makes you sound nervous and messy. Real fluency is about flow and control. Think about your favorite actors or speakers. Do they rush? Number. They take their time. They let the words breathe. When you rush, you skip sounds, you run out of breath, and you mumble. But when you slow down, you instantly sound more confident. It's a power move. Try this. Take a simple paragraph about your day. Read it slowly. Annoyingly slowly. Pause after every sentence. Let the silence sit there. It might feel weird at first, like you're a robot, but record it and listen back. You will be shocked at how much clearer and more professional you sound. You don't have to talk in slow motion forever, but you need to slow down to fix your rhythm. Once you have the rhythm, the speed will come naturally. Don't try to impress people with speed, impress them with clarity. Step 3. Read out loud daily. Moving on to step 3. Reading out loud. This is the secret weapon that actors and broadcasters use, but English learners almost never do it. We spend so much time reading silently in our heads, but our mouth muscles get zero exercise. Your mouth is a machine. If you've been speaking your native language your whole life, your muscles are set in that way. English requires different movements. You have to hit the gym for your mouth. Here is the drill. Pick a book, an article, or a caption on Instagram. Read it out loud, not in a whisper full volume. Pretend you are on a stage. Emphasize the important words. If you stumble on a word, stop and say it again. This connects your eyes, your brain, and your mouth. When you read out loud, you don't have to worry about what to say, so you can focus 100% on how you say it. It builds that muscle memory so that when you're in a real conversation, your mouth already knows what to do. Step 4. Build a 30-day accent routine. Now, let's talk about consistency. Step 4 is building a 30-day routine. You can't just watch one video and expect to wake up sounding different. You need a system. A lot of people ask me how to speak English fluently in 30 days, and why you can become perfect in a month. You can completely transform your habits. You need a daily stack, a routine. Here is what I want you to do for the next month. It only takes 30 minutes. First 5 minutes. Just listen. Intense focus on a native speaker. Next 5 minutes. Shadowing. This means you play the audio and speak with them at the same time. You're trying to match their speed and emotion exactly. Then, take 5 minutes to read something out loud. like we just talked about. After that, do some tongue twisters, so we'll get to that in a second. And finally, record yourself talking freely for just 1 minute. If you do this stack every single day for 30 days, you aren't just learning, you are transforming. It's about showing up for yourself. Small habits every day lead to huge results. Step 5. Say tongue twisters daily. Okay, step 5. I know you might think tongue twisters are just for kids, but they were actually high-level training. Think of this as weightlifting for your tongue. Tongue twisters force you to focus on the difficult sounds. They highlight your weak spots immediately. If you struggle with the R sound or the TH sound, a tongue twister will expose it. Pick one challenging phrase. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore. Simple, right? Now try saying it fast and clear 5 times. It's hard, but that struggle is where the growth happens. Do one of these every day. Start super slow, exaggerate the mouth movements, and then speed it up. If you can speak clearly when a sentence is difficult, imagine how easy it will be when you're just having a normal conversation. It sharpens your pronunciation like nothing else. Step 6. Make a video of yourself. Step 6. This is the one everyone wants to skip. You need to record yourself on video. I know. It's cringe. Nobody likes watching themselves or hearing their own voice recorded. It feels awkward. But here is the thing. You cannot fix what you cannot see. When you look in the mirror, you see one thing. But when you watch a video of yourself, you see reality. You might notice, oh, I barely open my mouth when I speak. Or I look really nervous. Or I keep making this specific mistake. Video gives you instant feedback. So, here is the challenge. Every day, just grab your phone, hit record, and talk for 1 minute. Talk about your breakfast, your job, anything. And this is the hard part, to watch it. Don't judge yourself. Don't be mean to yourself. Just observe. Pick one thing to do better tomorrow. If you have a collection of 30 videos at the end of the month, and you watch the first one versus the last one, you are going to be so proud of yourself. The growth will be visible. Step 7. Use accent tools. Finally, Step 7. Use the tools you already have. Musicians use metronomes and tuners. You should use tech, too. First off, use the voice typing feature on your phone. Siri or Google dictation. Open a note and try to dictate a message. If the phone writes down the wrong word, that is a huge clue that your pronunciation wasn't clear. It's a brutal test, but it's honest. Keep trying until the phone types exactly what you said. Also, use YouTube. You can slow down videos to 0.75x speed to really hear what's happening, or speed them up to test your listening skills. Treat your phone like your personal language lab. So, here is the bottom line. Your accent isn't something you're stuck with forever. It's something you build. It's not about being perfect or sounding like a person from a specific city. It's about removing the barriers between your brain and the world. It's about you speaking and people understanding you instantly. You have the steps now. You have the routine. The only thing left is for you to actually do it. Don't let this be another video you just watch and forget. Make this the start of your new voice. If you found this helpful and you're ready to start this journey, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And make sure you subscribe to Learn English with Jennifer so you don't miss out on more tips to level up your life. Go practice, believe in your voice, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.